Hey, so I want to answer a question real quick from Walter the King Boy. He asked earlier today, did you have customers before buying your machine? And the simple answer to that is no. I had no customers. I had no guarantees anybody was going to give me work. I had some connections, some people I knew I could maybe try and get some from, but a lot of them wanted an ITAR shop, and I'm still not ITAR registered. So, no, I had no concrete customers that could sustain my business. But I said to myself, when I buy this machine, I have to make it work. I've always wanted to start a shop. It's been in my head for over a decade that I wanted to have my own business and work for myself. I'm going to make this work for whatever I have to do. So I ordered the machine, and I pretty much got myself busy from there. I built a website. I built all my social media pages. I made my first how to start a machine shop video that I didn't get back to for another 3 years after that. Anything to get my name out there, get some traction, get people seeing me. I also started going through all the social media pages, like going through Reddit, looking for people posting saying they're looking for work, just anywhere I could possibly find it. My first job ended up being a gentleman on Reddit that needed me to make some decorative wood pieces. He was a carpenter. He did like stuff for the holidays, stuff for decor, and he had a design that was too complex to build by hand. So I ended up building 50 of those pieces for him out of wood, out of just cheap wood I got from Lowe's. So I did that job. I think I charged him $500 when it probably should have been $700 to $800. But I had enough material. I had enough money to cover the material, and working out of my garage, still working full time somewhere else, I wasn't as hurt that I wasn't making what I should have made. But I got that done. I did one small job for my dad because he does hot rod stuff. And then I started trying to qualify for Xometry, got accepted on that within a month or so, and pretty much stuck with them primarily for my first year. I did $100,000 my first year in business. I think about 70% of it was through Xometry. The other 30% was people that found me through my website. Another early job I had was modifying some prongs to aerate a baseball field, a minor league baseball team's field. A company in, let's say, the next town over found me and had me start modifying some plastic plates for them. One really cool moment, though, and this is one of the reasons I absolutely emphasize build a nice website. Take the time, take a few weekends. Is I had a very large, a multi-million-dollar company halfway, pretty much across the country from me, straight north, reach out. They were looking for more suppliers in the Dallas area for their network. I ended up actually turning them away at that point in time. They called because they were looking for a Dallas supplier, and they were very impressed by my website. We talked quite a bit about my website because he told me the type of work that they have, the amount of work that they were going to outsource, and that he liked my presentation and wanted to qualify me. I ended up telling him I was just one guy working out of my garage with a small machine, couldn't really handle the workload that they needed. But I kept in touch with them. I kept his information. Once I moved into this space and got more machines, I ended up reaching out to him again and had one of my they ended up being one of my bigger customers after that point. Big part of this is just learning to take the risk, convincing yourself that you have to make this work. You don't get a choice. I couldn't afford the payment out of my own pocket. I didn't really have any money. I could ask or wanted to ask if they could help me make payments on my machine once I got going. I was hell-bent to make sure this works. And it's working out so far. I'm hoping it keeps going, knock on wood. But yeah, I hope that answers your question. You just got to learn to take the risk. Got to take that chance. That's part of doing business. Hope you all have a good one. Bye.